follow Drive. Do what they recommend. There isn't a single thing that hasn't been proven that they are recommending. They're not going to, hey, try this. No, it's, hey, do this. If you're not succeeding, it's typically because we're not following what our coach has been telling us to do.
But for me, the ultimate value of my consultant, other than just getting to work with them, is there's situations that come up in our lives in business, and we honestly don't know what to do about it. And you could find yourself wanting to freeze or go into a state of fear, or you can think some crazy things. But that phone call to pick up and call your consultant and have them walk you back off the ledge, talk some sense into you, get you focused on the right thing, that phone call is invaluable.
Right? But I just say it because if I can do it, anybody can do it, you know? There's no reason you can't. If you follow the program that Drive has, it's going to bring you success. You just got to listen, and you got to do it, you know?
And your coach is going, come on, man, you got this. You got this. And you're like, uh-oh, I don't think I got this. But your coach has all the faith in the world in your abilities, and you're like, no. You know, and we trust each other with our lives. And I trust my financial life to Carla and my team, because they have done things that I never thought were possible in my financial career.
I really love talking to other people. I'm an open book. I don't really bullshit anybody, and I love not the fact that where some of these people are, but where they could go. And once you sign on with Drive, you have this whole room full of people to support you, and many, many more that couldn't be here tonight. So if you're new to Drive, or some of you, I don't know if you have signed on, but this is an amazing group that helped me achieve a lot of success, as well as many other people.
I then decided we could not go on the way we were going, or one of us was going to have a heart attack. We attended a workshop, Essentials of Shop Management, with Jim Saley, and signed with Drive that weekend. Since then, I have hired a general manager, a service advisor, a shop foreman, and we currently have 4 technicians. I can honestly say that I believe God answered our prayers and sent Drive to us. We've learned so much from Drive, and without them, I don't know where we would be today.
First and foremost, Drive. That's the reason we're here. You guys are the reason we're up on stage. There are countless people at Drive that have just made this incredible program for all of us here today, and we couldn't be more grateful. I know my parents couldn't be more grateful because it provided so many more opportunities for them, and now for the second generation taking over First Automotive. Truly, Drive is wonderful. For anyone out there who is just joining, I hope that you take it and run with it and use everything they have to offer to you.